Welcome back friends on our channel Learning with Swayam. I am Srisha and today I am going to tell you the story of Methield and her dear friend Mrs. Shortstory from the Standard 9 syllabus, The Necklace. But to hear the story, we have to go to the France because the short story is written by Guy de Maupassant, the French author who is primarily known for his short stories. So let's get started and move to the family of Mrs. Losley. Methield was a pretty and charming girl born into the low-class family, especially into the family of clerks. Hence, she married to a minor official at the Ministry of Education. But the aspirations and the dreams of Methield are big. She was ashamed of her poverty. She suffered because of shabby, poorly furnished house. She dreamt of a grand palatial mansion with a vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms. She wants to wear good clothes. She wants to enjoy the parties and she wants to wear precious stones and jewels. But in reality, she had no rich dresses, no jewels, so she avoided to meet her rich friends, who were her former schoolmates. One day, her husband received an invitation card of a ball party from the Ministry of Education, a ball night. Instead of being happy with an invitation, she started crying in front of her husband and convinced him to buy a new expensive dress for her. Finally, her husband agreed to give her 400 francs, which he saved to buy a gun for hunting summer. Still, Mrs. Loisel seemed sad, upset, restless, anxious, though her dress was ready, as she had no jewels, not a single stone to wear. She denied to wear flowers. The next day, she went to Madame Shortstory. Madame Shortstory was a rich lady, but a good-hearted person. Mrs. Loisel told her the misery and about the ball night. Madame Shortstory was a good lady who offered her jewels, including the bracelets, pearl necklace. Methield tried on the jewelry in the mirror and kept asking, "You have nothing else? You have nothing else?" Suddenly, she found in a black satin box a superb diamond necklace. She lent it from Madame Shortstory. On the day of a party, Methield was looking elegant, gracious, smiling and full of joy. She was a success as she received everyone's attention and many compliments. Methield and her husband left at about 4 o'clock in the morning. They reached home. Methield took final look at herself in all her glory. She found that she had no longer had the necklace round her neck. She discovered that the borrowed necklace was missing. Methield and her husband searched every pin and corner of their home, but could not find the necklace. In the fear of going to prison, they decided to buy a new necklace as same as the lost one. So, they sold everything they had, including the furniture and home, and borrowed money to raise 36,000 francs. Methild's husband bought new necklace and they gave it to Madame Forestier. The husband worked 2 jobs. They shifted to a smaller house and Madame Loisel from on and then knew the horrible life of very poor. To pay the heavy debt, they dismissed their maid. After solding a house, they rented a garret under the roof. She washed the dishes. She washed clothes. She did all housework. Now, they had no maid, no laundry. Each month, they had to pay some loans, renew others and get some more. And this life lasted after 10 years. At the end of the 10 years, they paid off everything, even the interest. Lost all her beauty and glamour. She looked older and often think gloomily with repentance life could be better if she had not lost that necklace. How strange life is, how fickle, how little life is needed for one to be ruined or saved. One day, she saw her old friend, Madame Forestier, but Madame Forestier could not even recognize her. And the Madame Forestier's beauty is still charming and she's still beautiful, still young. Still Methield decided to meet Madame Forestier and tell her about what happened. Methield summoned up the courage and went to Madame Forestier. At the very same time, Madame didn't recognize her. Methield told her that she was Methield Loisel. How? Oh my poor Methield, how you have changed. Yes, I have had some hard times, said Methield. Have you remembered the ministry party? When I wore a diamond necklace. Lent it from you? Yes, well, I lost it, said Methield. But how? You bought it back. I brought you back another exactly it. And it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. It wasn't easy for us. We had very little. But at last, it's over. I'm very glad. Methield smiled with proud and innocent pleasure that she was off with the debt. Madame Forestier was stunned. You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine? Yes, you didn't notice them? They were very similar. Madame Forestier, deeply moved by the Methield words, took both Methild's hands in her hand and said, "Oh, my poor Methield, mine was an imitation. It was worth 500 francs at most."